Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sell your jewelry on eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to sell a jewelry or to sell anything on eBay, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser and type in the URL www.ebay.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of eBay. Now once you're here, you need to get logged in into your account, and then you can find an option called sell. So simply tap on the sell option and then you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on list an item and then type in jewelry. So once you type in jewelry, then you can simply search for it and search for your matches. If something matches your item, you can simply select that thing, or you can simply continue without a match. Then you need to type or select the condition of your item. So once you have selected it, you need to tap on continue to listing, and then you need to now upload a photo or video of that particular item, give them title, the item category, and describe them with every information that is useful. Then after you have done this, you need to simply type in pricing, then shipping method and stuff, and after it has been done, you need to tap on the list it option. So once you have done this, your particular jewelry will be available for sale in eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.